Good morning, students. Now I am going to explain some divisibility rule. Okay, so divisibility rule, that means it is a way to identify whether a given number is divided by a fixed divisor or not without performing actual division. Okay, students. Okay, so now let us have a look at different divisibility tests. So students, first we will start divisibility by 2. So students, divisibility by 2. So what is this? So this is divisibility by 2. If the ones digit of the number is divisible by 2, so we can say that the given number is divisible by 2. That means according to this rule, first we have to check only ones digit. And if ones digit is divisible by 2, so that means the number will also divisible by 2. Okay, so let's take an example. So students, this is an example. So let's check for this. 124 is divisible by 2. So students, according to this rule, we have to check only ones digit. Okay, so here ones digit is 4. Okay, and as you all know that 4 is divisible by 2. So students, that means 124 is divisible by 2 also. So that means it is divisible by 2. Okay, so students, if we can take one more example, 243. So 243 is divisible by 2. So students, as you all know that here we have to check only ones digit. Ones digit is here 3 and 3 is not divisible by 2. That's why 243 it's not divisible by 2. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to you all. So students, now the next divisibility, that is divisibility by 3. So what is this? Divisibility by 3, that means if the sum of all digits of the number is divisible by 3, so we can say that the given number is divisible by 3. That means if there are 3 digits in a number, so students, first we will check the sum of all digits and the sum is divisible by 3, that means the number will also divisible by 3. So now let's take an example. So students, this is an example. Is 729 divisible by 3? So students, now let's check for this. According to this rule, you have to check the sum of all digits. So now we add up all the digits. Okay. So we have 7 plus 2 plus 9. So what we have, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, that will be 18. Okay. Now students, as you all know that 18 is divisible by 3. So that means the number is divisible by 3. Okay. Students, one more thing. If we have a number 128. So is it divisible by 3 or not? So students, now let's check the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 8. So students, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 8, 11. And you all know that 11 is not divisible by 3. So that means this number will not divisible by 3. So that means this number cannot be divisible by 3. I hope is it clear to all? Okay. So now the next divisibility rule, divisibility by 6. So students, what is this? So students, this is if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So we can say that the given number is divisible by 6. That means if any number which is divisible by 2 and 3 as well. So that means the number will also divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's take an example. Is 138 divisible by 6? So let's check. So according to this rule, you have to check is it divisible by 2 and 3 as well. Okay, so let's check. We will check 138 is divisible by 2 and 138 is divisible by 3 as well. Okay, so students, as you all know that in divisibility by 2, first you have to check only the ones digit. Here ones digit is divisible by 2, so that means it will divisible by 2. Here we have to check the sum of all digits. So now we can check 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12. And 12 is divisible by 3, so that means it will also divisible by 3. Okay, so now that means we can say 138 is divisible by 6. Okay students, so that means that is your answer. Okay, I hope clear to you all. Now the next divisibility rule, divisibility by 9. So students, what is this? So this is the divisibility by 9. If the sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 9, so we can say that the given number is divisible by 9. That means if there are 4 digits in a number, so first we will check the sum of all digits and the sum is divisible by 9, so that means the number will also divisible by 9. Okay, so now let's take an example. Is 243 divisible by 9? Okay students, so let's check for this. See students, as you all know that according to this rule, we have to check the sum of all digits. So now we add up all the digits. So 2 plus 4 plus 3. So we have 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, and you all know that 9 is divisible by 9. So that means this number also. Okay, so students, one more thing is here, 343. So students, is it divisible by 3? So let's check. So you all know that you have to check the sum of all digits. So now 3 plus 4 plus 3. So now 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10. So as you all know that 10 is not divisible by 9. So that means the number, it cannot divisible by 9 also. So that means this is no. Students, you have to remember one thing, divisibility by 9 same as divisibility by 3. There is a difference between them. In divisibility by 3, we will check the sum is divisible by 3, and divisibility by 9, we check the sum is divisible by 9. So that means we can do same as divisibility by 3. So the next divisibility rule, that is divisibility by 5. So what is this? So this is if the first digit of a number is either 0 or 5. So we can say that the given number is divisible by 5. That means students, in this rule, you have to check only one's digit. Okay. And if one's digit is either 0 or 5, so that means the number will divisible by 5. Okay. So let's take an example. So this is an example, is 215 divisible by 5. So let's check for this. And students, as you all know that according to this rule, we have to check only one's digit. So here one's digit is 5. Okay. So students, we can say that this number is divisible by 5. Okay. So students, now let's check for this 223. So students, here as you all know that we will check only one's digit. Okay. And one's digit should be 0 or 5. So that means it is not divisible by 5. Okay. So now the next divisibility by 10. So students, this is if the ones digit of a number is 0. So we can say that the given number is divisible by 10. Okay. That means in this rule, only we have to check the ones digit of a given number. Okay, and if one's digit of a given number is 0, so that means the number is divisible by 10. So let's take an example. This is an example, is 120 divisible by 10. So students, as you all know that according to this rule, only we have to check the ones digit. Okay, so here ones digit is 0. Okay. So student, that means divisible by 10. Okay. Now if we have one more example, 133. Okay. So students, is it divisible by 10? As you all know that we will check only one's digit, and one's digit should be 0. So there is no 0. So that means it is not divisible by 10. I hope it clear to you all. Students, now it's time for you to remember all the divisibility test. Okay, so let me explain you one more time. Okay, in divisibility by 2, students, we have to check only one's digit. Okay, and if one's digit is divisible by 2, so that means the number also. In this divisibility by 3, here we have to check the sum of all digits. Sum single digit. And if sum it's divisible by 3, so that means the number also. Okay. In divisibility by 6, students, if any number is divisible by 2 and 3, so that means divisible by 6 also. Okay. So here it is divisible by 2 and 3 also. Okay. So that means the number will also divisible by 6. In divisibility by 9, we have to check sum. Okay. And if sum is divisible by 9, so the number also. And indivisibility by 9 and 3. In both of these divisibility, we have to check the sum. Okay, and in 3 it's divisible by 3. In 9 it is divisible by 9. Okay, now divisibility by 5. So students, here we have to check one's digit. Okay, one's digit is 0 or 5. Okay, so that means the number will divisible by 5. Okay. And in divisibility by 10, we have to check one's digit here, okay? That means if one's digit is 0, so that means the number will divisible by 10. In divisibility by 2, 5 and 10, we will check the one's digit, okay? And in divisibility by 3 and 9, okay? 3 and 9, we have to check the sum. Okay, and divisibility by 6, we will check it is divisible by 2 and 3, then it will divisible by 6. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.